Wondering why Dymension's price has been skyrocketing recently? Well, let's break it down. Dymension, conceived 2 years back as a trailblazing vision of adding another dimension to the interchain, has recently made a significant leap. With the launch of its mainnet and an impressive airdrop that distributed over $390 million in DYM tokens to early adopters and select groups, Dymension has been making waves in the crypto world. This strategic move has resulted in a staggering 25% increase in DYM's price in the last 24 hours alone. Now that's what I call a surge. But hold on to your hats, folks, because this is just the beginning of our journey into the world of Dymension. Now let's delve into the technical indicators of DYM USDT to understand what they suggest about the price trend. Diving right into the technical analysis of DYM USDT, we observe a bullish trend. This trend is highlighted by the super trend indicator, which is currently shown in green. For those who are less familiar with this indicator, it is a tool that helps identify the market's trend. When the price is above the super trend indicator, like we see with DYM USDT, it typically signals a potential uptrend. In this case, the price is above the support level of 6.525, reinforcing this bullish sentiment. Another key indicator is the Strength Index, or RSI, which is currently hovering around 69.46. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, and a reading below 30 typically indicates an oversold market, while a reading above 70 suggests an overbought market. Given that DYM USDT's RSI is below the overbought threshold, it indicates that while the market is strong, there is still room for upward movement before the asset becomes overbought again. Now let's talk about the Average Directional Index, or ADX. The ADX is a technical analysis indicator used to determine when a price is trending strongly. An ADX value above 25 typically suggests a strong trend, and currently, with an ADX at 47.62, the upward trend on the Dymension price is quite robust, indicating strong buyer interest. However, with the RSI nearing overbought conditions, the chances of a correction also increase. This is further supported by the Stochastic Oscillator, or STOCH, which is at 76.79, near the overbought territory. This could signal that the market might be overextended in the short term, and a pullback or consolidation could be on the cards. This is a normal and healthy part of any market's progression, allowing it to build a more solid foundation for future growth. So, while the current indicators suggest a continued uptrend, it's important to remain aware of the potential for a market correction. As always, it's essential to consider multiple indicators and perspectives when making any trading decisions. If you find this analysis helpful and want to stay updated with more such insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Despite the bullish trend, there's always a possibility of a correction. As we delve deeper into the market analysis, we find that the stochastic oscillator, often used to indicate market momentum, is currently at 76.79. This is quite close to the overbought territory. In layman's terms, this could mean that the market might be stretching itself a bit too thin in the short term. Now let's take a shift and talk about the sentiment in the trading community. It's no secret that Dymension's launch situation is unique, to say the least. With significant airdrop dynamics at play, this has sparked a fair share of skepticism among traders about the long-term investment potential of Dymension. One notable voice in this conversation is Altcoin Sherpa, a respected figure in the crypto world with over 202,000 followers on his platform. Sherpa has expressed caution regarding Dymension. He suggests that if Dymension is to experience a so-called scam pump, it would likely be preceded by some sort of rounded bottom first. This pattern typically signifies a period of stabilization before the asset enters an upward trend. So, what does all this mean for Dymension and those considering riding the wave? Well, it means that while the market appears strong now, a correction could be on the horizon. It's a reminder that in the world of cryptocurrencies, things can change quickly, and while the rewards can be high, so too can be the risks. While the Dymension market remains strong, it's always wise to proceed with caution. Keep your eyes peeled, your mind open, and as always, make informed decisions. To sum up the points we've discussed, Dymension's price has experienced a significant surge, increasing by 25%, following a $390 million airdrop. This has led to a bullish trend, as indicated by technical factors such as a positive supertrend indicator and a relative strength index that suggests there's still room for upward movement. However, It's worth noting that these promising signs are tempered by the potential for a market correction. The stochastic oscillator is nearing overbought territory, suggesting the market might be overextended in the short term. And while we've seen strong support for Dymension's prospects, skepticism from traders and analysts regarding its long-term investment potential also exists, due to the unique circumstances surrounding its launch. Therefore, it's essential to exercise caution and keep a close watch on these developments as they unfold. Stay tuned for more updates on Dymension's price trend and other crypto news. Until then, keep your eyes on the market trends.